Hi guys, welcome to Dino's World, and guess what? Just as I predicted, Bajaj have absolutely launched a missile in the EV segment with the 3501. I mean, it absolutely nails the game, changes the game, and brings the king back to the throne where he belongs. The king is back to reclaim his throne. That's what I can say. With the 35 series, Chetak is here, and with celebrating 3 lakh units, where the last 1 lakh units have come within just last 4 months, talks about the gaining popularity of Chetak and people investing their trust and the legend winning back people's trust and their hearts slowly but surely. And with the 35 series, I think it's gonna absolutely blow away the competition. So I'm here to talk about what all makes the 3501 an absolute game changer in this segment. So this is a 3501. You also have the 3502, which is priced at 1,20,000. This is 1,27,000, and the exact price will be mentioned in the description portion. But undeniably, the Chetak has always been one of the most beautiful looking EV scooters. I mean, the monocoque chassis, the seamless design language, the overall fit and finish of the panels with no screws, no bolts being apparent anywhere, and that, my friend, is the black color. Looks absolutely picture perfect. That's another friend who's doing his video right over there. But having a look at the Chetak, having a look at the design, form factor has always been ahead of the game. That has been the case with Bajaj R&D team when it comes to design language. I mean, the kind of amazing designs they come up with, they stand the test of time, and they remain true to themselves and win people's hearts with time and become legends on the way. So the DRL is there, LED lamp is there, then you have the beautiful front apron, the jewel studded kind of effect for the turn blinkers right over here, looks absolutely stunning. Then the exposed front wheel, again the alloy wheels are beautifully made. The exposed wheel really enhances the visual appeal. 12-inch wheels front and rear, 90 by 90 tires. Again, the exposed rear wheel is another thing of beauty to admire. Then the Chetak branding is far more emphatic now. Why not? Because this one is going to absolutely annihilate the competition. Again, the beautifully integrated twin tail lamp setup with, again, the integrated tail turn blinkers is what makes it something that is one of the most beautifully standing scooters in terms of elegance, in terms of class, in terms of upmarket feel. Here, look at the seat. The seat is 80 mm longer now, so you have a quilt pattern to it for offering more room and preventing the rider from sliding forward while applying the brake. And then you have the Chetak branding right over here, 3501 branding right over here, the glove box is right over here, the key fob is actually placed right inside this glove box. Again, enough room for the pillion. Again, very well laid out grab bar. Now, talking about the actual things which actually make it stand out is the fact that now it comes with a 3.5 kilowatt battery pack. So that gives you an IDC range of 153 kilometers. 3.5 kilowatt battery pack with 153 kilometers IDC range. True range is somewhere around 125 is what I was told. The top speed is around 73 kilometers per hour, and the charging time, yeah, that is 0 to 80% in just 3 hours. Apart from that, the best part is you don't have to run around carrying the heavy charger along with you or have a backpack to carry it or find some kind of a carrying source. You have the battery charger integrated into the panels of the scooter. That is a class first or a segment first that makes things a lot more hassle free. So what else do you have here is the fact that once you turn on the scooter, you have a 5-inch color TFT panel, which is far more legible. This is a proper test to check the legibility of this because it's standing right underneath the sun. The fonts are very, very clearly visible. Here you have the N mode, which is a neutral mode, or what you can say. You have the Odo right over here, here notification panel. Here you have the clock. Here you have the battery percentage and the range available. The state of charge SOC is 91% and it shows a range of 121. So with 100% charge, I think the range displayed here might go beyond 125, but they've been a little modest with claiming the actual true range. Maybe it will surprise you with its true range once you start using it in real world scenarios. The efficiency is mentioned right over here. Here you have the settings and the vehicle info. The display, so let us get into display now. Okay, the brightness is set to full, and with this you can see you have different themes to choose from. This is one theme, then you have one theme that is applied actually, so we can go with another theme. Or then we have the something called touch sensitivity. That's kind of first, whether you want to touch it while it is already wet, whether it is dry, whether it's with your finger, whether it's with a glove. Everything has been optimized separately, so that's another very thoughtful thing. Then apart from that, you have the settings. You get into settings. Here you have the connectivity, you have the clock settings, and then you have vehicle info. You have service details, trip info, and the efficiency, the average speed, the driving score for trip A and trip B. Then you have about the vehicle itself. So all this has been clearly mentioned. I hope it is, yeah. So we get back to the home screen, and here you have different buttons. The R denotes reverse, so you can press this to go reverse, and press D to drive forward again or exit the reverse mode. And then you have different drive modes to select from. So say for instance, I start the scooter. Okay, I think we have to remove the side stand. Okay, and now the scooter is on. Now it's in sport mode, and the range is 116 now. Similarly, if you put it into eco, it goes up to 121. I hope it is capturing well. So eco and sport, only two modes are there. In sport, with 91% SOC, it still shows 116 kilometers range. It's pretty good. And then of course, if you want to open the boot, we have 35 liters of boot space, I believe. This is for the glove box. So long press and the boot is opened. So here you have 35 liters of boot space. Here you have the charging slot, and this can easily accommodate a full face helmet and other stuff. Here you have the charging cable. So the cable is the only thing that you need to plug in and start charging. So now it's turned off. Thankfully, the grips are of better quality as well. The mirrors are of superior quality as well. So overall fit and finish, the single sided suspension system, aircraft derived, I believe, so it has very good feel to it while you're riding it across the city streets. So I have already ridden all the models of Chetak until the latest one, the affordable one as well as the premium one. So you have a disc brake up front as well. Again, the motor controller, the PMSM motor has been again fine tuned and improved for better performance. So the thermal management has been worked upon, the battery management has been worked upon. Everything is top notch, and also the entire design silhouette changes now. So it's now gone the previous approach. So now the battery is placed here for better mass centralization, better weight distribution, and better balance and stability. And you have a completely steel tubular frame shielding it from any kind of impact from the top, and then you have a proper bash plate that protects it from the bottom impact. So that is as foolproof as it can get. And also in terms of water wading capability, it will kind of surprise you because it can take on any kind of waterlogged scenario. As what you can see here, hopefully I'll try to include a clip for you guys, but it's absolutely insane as to how robust this new Chetak 35 series are built. And it is here to stand the test of time and make you convert once you invest your trust in this. And as I told you, here you have the actual battery charging unit, and then you have the controller on the other side, motor controller. And so this actually makes the scooter far more easily flickable. The overall handling, the stability, the riding dynamics improves and goes to a different level altogether. So that is something you need to understand. So overall, as I told you, the range efficiency has been worked upon, the overall fitment and practicality has been worked upon, the safety features have been worked upon, so tech features have been improved, and comfort has been maximized with a longer seat as well. So overall, this is the update for the 3501. Starts at 1.27 lakhs ex showroom. And what do you think? I feel this is one of the finest looking scooters in and of itself, and the king is back to reclaim his throne, is what I feel with the new Chetak 35 or 35 series or 35 series. So what is your opinion? Feel free to comment below. Can't wait to ride this. This is just a press launch. So first we'll actually giving you just an overview of this scooter, and then when the rides are slated to happen, maybe back in Hyderabad itself, we don't know. So once that starts, I'll be giving you the ride impression. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.